We're back again, guys. Gold kill, guys. Take profit hit. We also took some trades on Euro AUD. We took some massive sells, guys. We're killing. We're going to watch the dance.
A fucking goat outside.
It's just a goat.
No, it's a fucking goat.
You won't believe this. In this video, guys, we'll teach you the 95% prop firm winning strategy using the big bank secret step by step. We are finally revealing our greatest trading secrets that I've never shared with you guys anywhere before. This time around, we're going to help you specifically where you need help, and that's how to pass two-phase evaluation challenges on any prop firm, including the most famous one, FTMO. Trust me, guys, when I say that this video is more valuable than any other paid trading course out there. This video will equip you with everything we need in order for you to become successful as a funded trader in just under 6 months. This is the beginning of your actual trading journey. I believe you'll be able to build your dream life after watching all this quality education. And I want you guys to understand one thing, guys. Our life started changing the moment we had a change of mindset, guys. That is what's gonna take you where you need to go. It's the mindset that helped us change our life back in 2019. And ever since that year, guys, our lives kept on changing every single year. So you're gonna learn how you can be successful, how you can achieve financial freedom. Watch this video and we'll see you guys on the other side.
Hi everyone. Yeah, it's yours truly. The first goat. I've been busy, but 2019. Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year, guys. And I didn't start by making money online. I won't lie to you guys. I didn't start that way. I think I started years before, and I've always failed over and over. I've always failed. I lost a lot of money trying to make money online, and I feel like somehow it wasn't all lost. I paid for those lessons. I didn't have a mentor. The things that I'm doing now, I literally didn't have a mentor. That I had to learn the hard way. Made a lot of mistakes. Mistakes you make, you pay with money. And be sure you have a mentor, guys. You don't want such mistakes. I wasn't as good as I am years back. I've lost more than 15k into Forex. Believe it or not, it was a lot. I lost a lot in Forex. When I started, guys, I had my goals. When I started having my goals, people were saying I'm crazy, and I feel that's important. If people don't say you're crazy, then your goals are not big enough. They are not big enough. They need to say you're crazy. You need to be misunderstood at times, because when you work hard, miracles do happen. People lose motivation easily, and you need to have a strong heart when you want to make money. You need to have strong willpower. So you need to, as much as you can, take a bath every day. You need to motivate yourself daily. And that's what I do, man. I motivate myself, and you can go check out my videos, start from the beginning. Motivate yourself, see where I started. I started way before, and it's progress. So what I recommend is consistency. If you can be consistent for the next 6 months, your life can completely change. Consistency is the most important thing, guys. Don't be a one-entrepreneur. What a one-entrepreneur is a person who always have crazy ideas. They always have ideas, but at the end of the week, nothing happens. Every week they have ideas and nothing happens. Don't be that guy. Take action. Stay blessed and do the most. 2019 is your year. The goat is ready. 2019 is your year, guys. Go out there and do the most. Don't be lazy.
So yeah, guys, that is the mindset that we had back in 2019, and that is what changed our life. That is the same thing you're gonna learn here, guys. So for those of you who made it so far into the video, congratulations. We are finally going to show you guys our 95% winning strategy on how to pass prop firms, get funded, and get weekly payouts. We're going to show you how to do that step by step. From phase 1, we're going to show you how one of our students killed it, and we're going to show you how to pass phase 2. Make sure you watch the video up until the end. Let's go.
Yeah.
This was phase 1.
We are finding people.
I passed in 5 days.
Wow, that's record time.
Wow. Can you walk us
Yeah.
through
Like go down to your trades.
100 entries. Okay. So walk you through the beginning.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
traded for 5 days.
You must learn from the best to be the best.
I won't lie, yeah, this is all you guys. Too much love, Chins. I won't lie, you guys have taught
And
me a lot.
you-
Phase
when
2,
I
I
almost
failed,
won.
Chins. I failed.
So yeah guys, phase 1 is pretty much easy guys. Everyone is passing phase 1, even our students are passing phase 1. And for those of you who don't know guys, we run have an academy. We teach people for free. You can join our course, click the link in the description below. Learn from us completely for free. We teach you guys how to trade starting from zero. Yes sir guys, like we said in the beginning of the video guys, we're going to specifically help you when you are facing issues. A lot of people are able to pass phase 1 easily. However, they're having challenges on how to pass the second phase, which is phase 2. In this video, that's exactly what we're going to tackle. Phase 2. Let's get it. Yes sir. FS Gojo Mentors, we're back again guys. You can see that I started trading this account. Just got this account, it's still new. Got on phase 2. You can see I took some trades, it's a real account. Phase 2, and I've already took my gold trades. Basically here we broke outside our overall bullish trend, and from there I was expecting some sort of a retest, but I took a scalp buy, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that. It's just a scalp. Then from there we also took some other scalps as well on a different pair. This is just gold on what we're expecting. I was expecting a retest, and then from there when I expect the push towards the downside, or if you cross above that level, then we're gonna look for a push towards the upside. So basically I don't lead the market, I just follow. And you know, everything is going well. Just want to see how it turns out. Overall, that's what I'm expecting. So I'm gonna go away for some time and basically enter this trade. So that's what I'm seeing guys. I always want to capitalize on making sure that I don't overtrade. I always cut my losses short and I focus on winners, right? I want to hold my winners, and sometimes I take my break. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my stop loss, adjust everything on my trades. Basically you need to make sure that you don't follow the screen once you exit. Must protect your trades, stay humble even if you lose, even if you win. Whether you're gonna go for a loss or a win, you need to stay positive. So that's the thing guys, trading is a business, not a trick. You need to give it time, and you're gonna see that's how I'm able to master the market. So guys, phase 2 is kind of a bit difficult for a lot of people, but you're gonna see how we approach it. Always trying to start small. I'm also going to analyze USDCAD with you guys. I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing, so you guys can see I've been in this account. And what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to go to landscape and show you guys exactly how I'm predicting this possible bullish movements towards the upside, because you can see overall guys, we have a very strong support from that level. The market is failing to push below, hence we believe that will give us enough momentum to push above and basically profit from this particular trade. So that's the thing guys, I'm teaching you how to approach forex trading, basically just following my plan. The aim is just, you know, try to make some profit, and let's try to scalp and we'll come back later. And we're back again guys. It looks like we're closing some profits already guys. Remember, the aim is to make 1,000 profits. This is just the beginning, the first day. I want you guys to really prepare your mindset, try to take it slow, and we make a profit, right? I want to see, I've already noticed that we're in a choppy week. It's approaching 3:30. We want to see how that much goes. For now I want to close some profits, I want to secure some profits, and from there we're going to wait for the market and see what else we can see, the opportunity we can have. It's just the first day, trying to hit 1,000. I already did that. So that's the goal for today guys. The market is not that complicated. From there you can see that's the progress so far guys. You can see already what I've done. If I go for the overall since I've started this account, let's get it guys. If it's got your mentor, let's go. So as you guys can see, I started trading today. You can see over here, already had a trading day. Basically a trading day is a day where a user activates a trade, and that's how we did. So I want to show you here guys. You can see that is the account that I have over there, and today we basically made 1,000 profits, right? I want to show you guys how to make 1,000 a day and be able to make, you know, more than 10k USD a month by using proper risk management, right? That's how you use a big account. So trading guys, honestly, it's all about use proper risk management. You can see the lot size and the profits that I was making. That is just my first day. That is still growth so far. My percentage you see is very low, so I need to make sure that I need to also look at the highest profit day. This is mainly for consistency. I'll also explain this data, how I understood it. That's how I'm always passing. Everything else is pretty much easy to understand. I think it's not really difficult to pass a challenge as long as you know how to trade and you're able to apply proper risk management. So I'll show you guys all the tricks I'm using. This is just knowing how to trade and just make money from the tools that you have. And we're back again guys. Take profit here guys. We killed gold as you guys saw from our analysis, right? I already closed some trades, and already guys I have last running trades. Gold is killed. We were basically coming from the bottom. I was waiting for a confirmation, but I'll go ahead and close this profit. We'll come back later. And we're back again guys. 2:30 news is coming. We want to make sure we don't have any running trades, because we know that the US market is approaching. If coming from a time frame GMT +2. Remember guys, 9:30 Eastern time, that's when the market opens for the US market. So let's come back later. So guys, we're back again guys, checking our current progress. We killed Euro AUD guys. The only time left is 3:30. You can see guys already from how I'm analyzing this pair, we're coming from an overall support, and that's how I'm seeing for overall push towards the upside. We're really making profits on this trade. You guys can see I'm gonna go ahead and close some profits, book profits, and from there you can see the progress we've done, and we'll come back later. So guys, as you guys can see, this is basically my progress. So I've been documenting this journey with you guys and showing you how I was able to be profitable. I've already shown you guys the trades that I took. This is how much I've made so far. I'm gonna help you guys with everything that you need when it comes to passing this firm. As you guys can see, I've been taking my trades. This was a choppy week. It was a choppy week this week. I even took a loss. You guys can see it's a choppy week, but I'm trying to not trade as much as I can. As you guys can see, I already made like only 3,000 overall profits. But today I just made 1.2. So I'm gonna show you guys how to profit, whether you're in a choppy week or you're in a trading week. So this is the trades that I showed you guys when I was taking on my phone. On phase one, guys, we don't have highest profit day, and I believe this is what is the most hardest, because for phase one is basically making as much profit as you can, pass phase one easily. But phase two prepares you to be able to manage risk, for you to be able to make profit without having to take excessive risk. You know what I mean? You must learn risk management, and this is what's gonna prepare you. So already I've used 30%. I've only utilized 30% of this. So when we talk about high profit day, guys, it means that we only need to make 60% of the profit target. From the 200K funded account, you guys know that you need to achieve 10,000 USD in order for you to pass your phase two. And on the next phase, you can even make up to 50,000 USD. You can make up to 27,000 USD and be able to withdraw it. But I was just wanting to show you guys, this account is just to show you how I'm going to be killing it, all the draws I'm going to be making. Anything that you guys want to see, I'm going to be documenting the whole journey to show you guys this is actually real. And you guys know we also trade with XNES. Another day, back to my real account. I'm still on my phase two. I'm still helping you guys know how to pass this. I took my trade this morning. This is what I'm trying to achieve. I'm trying to, score this and make sure I'm managing my risk. I've been growing my account steadily. Let me show you guys for the week. I've made 3,000 USD. Basically on my day 4, let's kill day 4 and let's kill day 5. Then we get funded. Yes, man. Like we always say, guys, you can see here directly, we always analyze on TradingView and then we take trades on the MetaTrader. So you can also take trades on your cell phone if you have a cell phone. However, to avoid all of this, you guys will see there's actually accounts whereby we're trading using Trade Locker as a platform. So you can also use Trade Locker whereby you can get to analyze directly on TradingView and then take your trades. Yeah, we'll do that after we're done with this account. Stay tuned and let's see how the trades play out. As you guys can see, I'm back to my real account, guys. I just hit take profit on my first trade. You guys can see I'm already running 1,000 plus profits. Wow. There we go. Gold is flying up. It's flying up. Wow. You guys can see we already took out. I take profit 1. The market will continue pushing up until we hit our target for today. That's what we made. You can check today we made 1.7. I'm just holding my last trade, and then from there we're done for today. Just finish up tomorrow and show you guys how easily I pass all these phases. Remember, guys, make it count in your bank account. Just a real lifestyle of a trader, guys. We are real traders this side. Always trading, always making money. If it's good, you're meant to. Good vibes. We're back again, guys. Gold kill, guys. Take profit hit. We also took some trades on Euro AUD. We took some massive sells, guys. We're killing. We're going towards the downside. We have a strong bearish market. You guys can see we're killing it. We're still trading now in a New York session, guys. So we'll come back again later and see how the market goes. Okay, guys, I didn't have much time to trade. Looks like this might reject. I'm gonna go ahead and close some trades. I'm gonna close all these trades actually. Just don't feel like trading today, guys. I didn't have time to look at the market. I'm only looking for quality trades. So that's how we've done some progress. I guess from there, when I come back again, and yeah, we're done for now. Yes, sir. Yo guys, today we took a loss, guys. We took a massive loss. I took a high risk, high reward trade. We have massive news coming with gold, guys. I was early, I've learned. I didn't follow my plan, guys. I'm sure I wanted to do this for you, but yeah, man, I will come back again. There's news coming. I'll take sales. Buyers have rejected, so I'll look for sales. We'll come back later. I'm back again, guys. I took those sales. I didn't have time, but it's after 2:30. The impact, I told you guys, those are the times whereby there's a lot of volatility. That's how I'm seeing for now. Since I don't want to revenge trade, guys, I'm going to basically close some trades. I'm going to book profits. Remember, guys, great analysis needs action. This is a choppy week. So I just want to show you guys I can trade whichever the market conditions. And yeah, man, I guess we'll see how the market goes. And we're back again, guys. We're killing the market. We're done with gold. Now I'm looking at Euro AUD, looking for some strong bullish momentum on Euro AUD. And you can see, guys, the market is giving us a strong push towards the upside. You can see already from here, guys, I'm just strictly following my plan. I'm also trying to minimize my risk. As long as you understand risk and reward, you're going to win. Risk and reward is everything, guys. You can lose 9 out of 10 trades, but still win as long as you know how to apply this. Make sure you protect your equity. So that's how we approach the market. We took our trades and we always minimize our losses and always maximize our profits. Everything is calculated, guys. I know I'm going to kill this. I know it's going to continue buying. I'm going to also look for more buys on that trade as well, guys. Basically just analyzing the market. You know, I always understand how this thing works. I'm following my plan. I do a pre-market analysis, London trades and New York trades. I also trade London a lot, just I didn't have time. But that's the thing, guys. I'm going to come back again later and see how the market goes. And we're back again, guys. As you guys can see, we've already killed Euro AUD as anticipated. Just following the market, guys. Remember, exit your trade once you've seen that you've reached a point of interest according to your analysis. Do these things every day, regardless of how you feel. It's all about self-discipline, guys. Remember, this is not overnight success. Took some losses. Remember, sometimes I break my rules. I do take a lot of low risk, high reward, but sometimes I take high risk, high reward. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. But that's the thing, guys. I'm a trader and I always know how the market goes. Let the market lead me and I follow. Signing out. Guys, I'm done. 3,000 profit, target hit. Boom. Finally done with my trading account.
Yo, you were trading gold.
Yo, I can't believe we just killed it like that, bro, guys.
Which news were you trading? Which news were you trading?
I was trading 2:30 news. You guys can see over there. I took my few trades. I'm just done, man. I can't believe I did that, guys.
Wow.
Like, yo, the psychology of the last minute, because I just wanted to complete it for you guys.
Can you show us what happens when you pass the second phase?
Yeah, man, I just got my email right here telling me, hi, Emmanuel, congratulations, you have successfully completed your funded challenge. Right?
Wow.
What
Wow.
happens next? To receive a funded account, confirm your identity, verify your identity here, and our team will review your progress. We'll be in touch soon to discuss the next steps.
Wow.
So yeah, I'm just gonna go to my dashboard. Right now, my account is no longer going to be on a challenge. I'm going to wait for my funded account. I don't have my funded account currently.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to my funded account and I'll show you guys how we make withdrawals. Yes, sir.